Guys, Ryan Steinolfson here, and today I'm going to talk to you about the new update for the LSA newsletter, the end of year update for the newsletter. So for you guys that don't know me, my name is Ryan Steinolfson. I'm the president and owner of Accelerate Marketing. We are a digital marketing agency that's been around for over 15 years, and we help businesses generate an additional $100,000 or more of bottom line revenue for their businesses by leveraging Google local service ads and Google Business Profile and AI optimization of their business. So this newsletter is a really interesting update I wanted to show you so you guys can see what's going on here. So this is the end of year 2024 update. And first of all, they said thank you to all the partners. We are one of the partners. There's about 40 partners throughout the world that actually get access to this partner level document or this newsletter once every month or every month and a half. First and foremost, they wanted to let people know that you need to have a Google Business Profile in order to have a local service ads page. They are very interconnected, and this is something that we've been talking about. This is the reason why we started optimizing Google Business Profile pages years ago, and then we started naturally going to the optimization of the Google local service ads pages because they are inseparably connected. This enforcement date is taking place differently based on whether or not you have an MCC account or a My Client Center account. And that's one thing that I've always encouraged you guys to get because it does help you identify that all important response rate, okay, and response time for message leads that will help you get more leads, okay? So if you know that, you really know the direction that your Google local service ads pages are going to go. So the other thing is that the Google Ads Performance Insights now is available on search. Okay, so all you got to do is go to Google and you can type in any Chrome browser as long as you're logged into your account. You type in Google Ads and you'll be able to see the top level performance, etc., of your Google ads that you're running. So this is really a simple way for you guys to be able to, identify what your Google ads are doing or how they're doing. And it's just a very fast way to do that. So that's that. Okay, so the other thing is the response time for message leads. Okay, so Google has updated the way it calculates message responsiveness to better align with user feedback. If you have 2 or more message leads in the last 90 days, the response time will be estimated based on the average response time of those message leads over the last 90 days. So this calculation does exclude non-business hours. So you really want to make sure that you've got the business hours dialed in, because if you have your business hours as 24/7, then Google is going to include any message leads that are within that time period. And then the call out for the response rate is not displayed during off hours. And this weighted average does prioritize recent leads over older one, which is really interesting. Okay, that was also identified. So the LSA mobile app is being deprecated. It's going away. Google is focusing on improving the mobile web experience for local service ads, making it the best way for people to manage their campaigns. Okay, so that would be what we just showed you here, where you can go to the Google Chrome browser and just type in My Ads or Google Ads, and you can see the basic information. But then you can just go right to the MCC account or the back office and actually see the full-blown version of it. The app has already been removed from the App Store and iOS, so that's no longer there. Here's another notification that website disapprovals are going to be enforced. So you definitely want to make sure that your website is running very well. I mean, that you don't have any 404 errors, that you do replace the link on your Google local service ads page with a valid website. And you can appeal the disapproval. Okay. So the common reasons for disapproval are broken links, etc. Another big thing is that there's an incentive promotion. We saw this coming. Google is really favoring Google local service ads. I've been saying this for a long time. Google really wants every business owner to be able to try out this platform without any risk. And you can do that now because you can see if you go to their website and you scroll to the bottom down here, you'll see that there's 3 offers. All you have to do is spend $500 and you get $500 back. You just get a free sample of $500 of leads. I mean, I think any business owner should do this. Here's one. If you spend $1,500, you get $1,000 back. And if you spend $3,000, you get $1,500 back. It's a pretty good deal. Okay. So I would definitely take them up on this if I were in your shoes. So you definitely want to make sure that you're taking advantage of that. And then the minimum bid and budget requirements are removed. So LSA used to require a minimum budget to save your settings. You may now set a budget as low as you want. Technically, you can save a profile with any bid amount, but practically to get leads, your bid and budget need to be competitive. So that's really just something to consider. So check your budget with winter and holiday seasonality. Make sure that you've adjusted for the snow removal or lawn care verticals or tax or financial planning, personal trainers or wellness after New Year's. When there's a surge, you want to make sure you've got more budget available. So that's really it. I hope this update was helpful. I hope that you found this information useful, and you can text us at 619-304-5155. Again, 619-304-5155. We'd love to answer any questions that you have. We can help you get the same results. There was a guy that was in the school community today, and he was managing an LSA account, and they had lost over $100,000 because of things that they did not do that I talk about on a regular basis on this channel and also in the school community. So, subscribe. It's silly to be a penny wise and a pound foolish, especially when you're talking about $100,000 swing one way or the other. We could have avoided him losing that $100,000 if he just followed some of the instructions that we talk about here a lot on this channel. So hope you're well, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks. Talk soon.